So hello and welcome everybody to another video from azquiteproductionshd. So welcome to part 2, tools, the side tool gallery. So let's first of all create a new document. So starting from the top, this is the move tool. It is used to move things around. Like for example, I'll just place something like this. And when you select this move tool, you can move this picture here and there. Like you can see, it's a football, Manchester United football. You can move it here and there using this move tool. This can also be used by pressing Control anywhere. Like you have any other tool selected, when you press Control, you get your move tool. So then comes our marquee tool. Marquee tool is of 4 types: rectangular marquee, elliptical marquee, single row and single column. So rectangular, as per the name, is used to select do selections in rectangular or square forms. And then there is elliptical marquee, which is used to make selections in the form of circles. And then is our single row marquee tool, which is used to select the single row of pixels. Like you can see, it just selects single pixel, not all of them. And then is our rectangular single column marquee tool. So you can access the side sub options by pressing right clicking on this. And the next one is our lasso tool. Lasso tool is also used to make selections. It is like used to make freehand selections. Like you can select this, and like you selected this. And then is our polygonal lasso tool. It is used to like make polygonal selections. Like as you can see. And the last one but not the least is magnetic lasso tool. It just takes the color which you place on and just keeps on making selections to that. But like it should have some contrast between. Like if it doesn't have, it just messes it up. So like you can see, it just automatically goes around the ball. And then below this, to above, like so. The next is the magic wand. Like it is also used to make quick selections like that. Oops. And other thing present with this is the quick selection tool. It is like it does the same work like the magic wand, but is much better for like selecting people out of their photos. So the next is the crop tool. As you may have guessed, it is used to increase or decrease the size of the project. And the sub menus have perspective crop tool, slice tool and slice select tool. These 3 are like not required for basic use, so I'm not gonna teach them. So next are like color picker tool, used to pick colors up from like this. And inside is 3D material eyedropper tool. Like it can be only used on 3D materials. Like as you can see, this is a smart object, which I would be teaching later, the difference between smart objects and simple objects. This is color sampler tool, which is used to sample colors from here and there. Like you can see, 2 samples I have made. And another one is the ruler tool, which is used to measure distances between, like how much is that. I can find out from here and this place also. And another sub menu is like note tool, used to make notes, never used this too. So the last one is count tool, like you can count the number of places. How do I remove them? Leave them. So the first gallery is complete, and so let me see once. So the second gallery coming on the second. No, let's leave that. Let's go to this last one. These all would be charged in another video, as it should not exceed more. So as you can see, it is the move tool. Like if your document is very large and you want to move from here and there, you don't want to move things across, but you want to see different things here and there, so you can use this. It can also be accessed by pressing space key or space bar, holding and dragging the space bar, and like you can also use the H key. Rotate view key is like it can rotate this. This is the magnification, and like pressing Alt will reduce it, or Option on a Mac. And this can be also done by pressing Ctrl plus plus and Ctrl plus minus. And so yep, this is the colors, foreground color and the background color. As foreground, let's set it to black, and here is like you selected like blue as foreground and black as background, yellow as background. So you want now default colors to be set up. You can press this, or you can press directly D key so that it is accessible, and also X key changes there, like the foreground becomes background and background becomes foreground. And so, and this is the mask, show mask button, quick mask, and this is like what you can see, like full screen and others, and so full screen, escape, control minus. So the tools gallery half is complete, so the half would be covered in the next video, so stay tuned.